Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. Joining us this afternoon is Jeannie Herron with the Harrison County Advocacy Center and Maggie Rafferty, who is a volunteer. And they're here to recruit more volunteers for Friends of the Court. Welcome, Jeannie and Maggie. Thank y'all so very much for joining us here.
Thank you,
we really appreciate it, absolutely. So first, can you just tell me a little bit about y'all's organization?
Right. Well, Friends of Court is part of the Harrison County Advocacy Center, and we work with Chancery Court. And as you know, there are 4 Chancery Court judges. And they actually assign, do a court order to assign Friends of Court to a particular case it could be a custody case, a guardianship case, conservatorship, vulnerable adult. And so then when they assign us the case, then it's my privilege then to assign it to a volunteer like Maggie here.
Absolutely, happy to have you with us too.
Yeah, and without our volunteers, we just could not function. And Maggie, she's she's wonderful, and she takes a lot of very difficult cases.
Absolutely, and thank you for your service for volunteering, because that is something that, I mean, people can volunteer for fun stuff, but that's something that's really serious and also so very needed too. So thank you, Maggie, and of course thank you for running it all. So maybe why have you been volunteering, Maggie? What's something special about it, or what have you enjoyed in the process?
I am a paralegal for my dad, Rafferty Law Group in Gulfport, and we do criminal defense work, so we don't do family law. So this was my way of being able to kind of see the other side and do family law and help and get in the courtroom. And I really enjoy it.
Incredible, and I'm glad you enjoy that.
I do.
That's a hard thing to enjoy.
It is. That's hard.
It's a calling, I'm sure, as well.
It is. And I really, really love it. And Jeannie's great to work with, and she's really helped me through the training and then even now.
Absolutely, incredible. And so y'all are here looking for volunteers. So how can you get some more volunteers?
Yeah, absolutely. As you know, when you're trying to recruit, you can always use more volunteers. So if you have 2 or 3 extra hours a week and you want to help and be involved in the community and with families and children, our training starts next week, August 15th, 16th, and 17th from 5:30 to 9:30. You have to attend all 3 sessions. But it's kind of like a fast-paced curriculum. We have guest facilitators for our training that help us, so you're not going to be listening to me for the whole 12 hours.
That would have been okay. Would have been totally fine, though.
That wouldn't work for me. That would not work for me.
Understandable.
But anyway, yes, we have experts in the field of mental health, substance abuse. We have someone from SMPDD, the ombudsman, that will be there talking about vulnerable adult and how to recognize that. And we just need a lot of folks out there in the community to help you. Right now, we have about 24 volunteers. We could use twice that many.
Absolutely.
And so, that's why we're here trying to spread the word to get it out in the community.
Absolutely. Well, thank you all so much for joining us.
Thank
and
you.
Viewers,
Thank
if you have this calling like Maggie did, if you want to take charge and also volunteer, it's obviously much needed. So thank y'all so much for letting us know about the need, and I hope we can get y'all some more volunteers.
Thank you, Ansley.
Absolutely. Thank you, Jeannie and Maggie.
Thanks.